Good morning everyone. I just thought I'd show you a bit more about this, what I've done for the thing. This is the pump I'm using. So it's a 12 volt, 3000 gallons per hour, which is 220 litres a minute. It's supposed to be a 40 mil tube that goes on there, but I've snicked it down to inch. And then yeah, so this is what I've got. So I've got deep groove matting there, which is from Dredge NZ, off Dan. Bought all that, and then got all this matting in here. So I've got the Yukon mat. I can't remember what these ones are. I just know they're Yukon. But yeah, so I've got this one, look quite nice, more for low flow. So another Yukon, a different mat again. It's got a bit more sort of ridges in between. And then that same one that was down the bottom, and then a Yukon right up the very front, right up in there. So yeah, so the Yukon just goes into there. So this is another. This is a shallower grooved mat. Mainly I've used that to mainly for sound, really, soundproofing. But I've got it ridged anyway, so it will collect gold in here as well. So that goes down and then goes into the Yukon, and then has a section of that, so it's like a boil box there. But I made a bit of a mistake when I put this in here. I wanted it to go through here, but originally I'd made this, if you can see, it's actually got little rings in there, and that was actually, so this was supposed to flip all the way out, but then when I put that in there I forgot about it. So I'm going to have to cut out here and then make some little adjusters sort of to go on the side of here. Oh, camera's not focusing. Yeah, so I have to cut out here so I can take this off, and then you can shift this out and then get the mat out properly. Otherwise I've got to take it off here. That's why I've just put wing nuts on there. So you can just take those wing nuts off and then the whole lot just comes off. But yeah, so yeah, I put that strap in the back of here, so then that blocks that up, so then no water can come out of there. And then yeah, so everything seems to be alright so far. We're going out this afternoon and give her a bit of a blast, see how it goes. But yeah, just sort of show you those anyway, what I'm using. And yeah, I'll let you know when we get out in the track and give her a bit of a whizzing and test her up, and yeah, hopefully it should be all good. Any luck at all? Yeah. Alright, let's see you out on the track. There you go. I just thought I'd show you, that's the Highbanker all folded up and in its carry state. So it's nice and compact, everything folds into each other. So I could make it lower, I suppose, if I moved that up higher, that leg up higher, and that would fold down into it more, but that's pretty compact. Too bad. So yeah, see how the design goes. Radio, see you soon. Just out, did a bit of detecting today. Just got my Force Core Pro out, just having a bit of a play. Jade's away today, so down, just having a scout out and found this little fella. Look at the size of that. A big water spider, that one. the size of my finger. He's going to bite it. He's quite big. Cool. Something different. Beautiful day down at the claim. The guy over there, a little bit of a protect. And a couple down there. There we go. Yeah, quite good. Alright, back soon. I'm just having a bit of a plan up the claim. It's a bit further, a bit later in the afternoon and a bit further up the claim. I just did a pan, and this is my very first pan, and look at that, perfect. That's just out of one bit. So there's heaps of lead in there and all that. Happy with that. That's mint. It's just out of one wee hole. Just out of a wee crevice down there, you can just see it. One wee hole. So I'll finish cleaning that after I come back and show you what I found. Alright, back soon.